Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you guys how to link from one section on a page to another. So for example, here we have a link. You can read more about CSS inheritance here, and then when you click the link, it just takes you to the section of the page where that paragraph is located. So, and then we have a link at the bottom where we click the link and it takes us back to the top of the page. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video and recreate this. Okay, so I have removed all the styling and the anchors from the web page, and let's just try to recreate this. And the way this looks without any styling and any anchors is just a pure text. So first step, we go back to our HTML, and in HTML we go to this paragraph. We have a link wrapped inside the P element, our paragraph, and then we have what we need to do. Basically, we just do href, and then in href we give the ID inherit. So it's done through the ID. It's pretty straightforward, easy to implement, but can be useful if you have like a long page and you need to jump to a specific section of the page. Okay, so inherit, and then we go to the bottom of the page. So this is our section on inheritance. And we can do here, say for example, ID. It'll jump straight to H2. So we do ID equal, and then we do inherit. So it finds, when we click that link, it'll take us to this section with this ID inherit. Okay, and then the last one, when we need to go back to top of the page, what we do is just gonna put P, wrap it in the paragraph, and then we have our link, href equal, it's a hash sign, close link, and then here we have our text, say back or back to top. So this link takes you to the top of the page, beginning of the page. Okay, and now I'm just gonna do some styling. I'm just to save time, I'm just gonna copy and paste, because just explain the rules. So we have our body with the width 30%. Then some margin padding, so margin was centered on the page, line height, and color, border radius. Pretty straightforward. So article font weight, we don't need bold, just some margin. And we just style that heading. You can use different selectors. I just use that ID because, just for example purposes, I gave the heading the gray background. Okay, so it's pretty much that's it. And yeah, now it looks like this. So this is our link when we click on the link, it takes us to this CSS inheritance, and then when we need to go back, we just back to top. So that's all, guys, I wanted to share with you today, and it's an old trick, but can be useful sometime. And as always, thank you for watching.